Bonnie. I am back with this super exciting subscription box, only it's not a box, it's a purse. So the awesome people at Bolzano sent me one of their purses. I've gotten these before. These purses are an amazing quality. I absolutely love them. There are two subscription packages that you can get. There is the purse plus accessories for $33.95 per month. And then there is the Luxe, which is the handbag, accessories, beauty. I think you get some beauty stuff in there, but that one is $43 a month. However, on their website right now, if you sign up for 3 months, you receive a free wallet, which is a $55 value. And 3 months of the Luxe is $129, and 3 months of the regular subscription, purse and accessories, is $101.85. So I'll put those links down there. But now for the exciting part, the purse. So I love that they give you a bag with the purse because these are really nice to store in. It's like a nice like dust bag because I mean how many times do you store a purse in your closet and it gets all dusty? So these bags are really nice for storage. So oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Okay, so you will fill out like a survey when you sign up, so they kind of give you an idea. I mean, do you like glittery things? Do you like crocodile? Do you like red? Do you like blue? Do you like yellow? This bag is absolutely gorgeous. This is actually one of my favorite colors in handbags. It's funny, for as much as I like glittery stuff, I like black, brown, burgundy, blue handbags, and it's got the Bolzano logo on it here. But this is really gorgeous. So I'm just going to open this up. It's got a top zip, which I like. I don't like the snap closures. I like having a zip. And then inside I have all my things in here. And then I also got a strap with the purse. Now the purse inside, it has a nice zipper, which is good because I like to keep my cell phone in there. And then it's got some additional pockets in here. I mean, this is big enough. I can put my makeup bag. And then it's also got the silver on the bottom so that when you set it on the ground, it's not getting, you know, all yucky or anything. So that's pretty awesome. And then, like I said, I got the straps. So I'm just going to dig into this here. I think this must be the Luxe one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got so much stuff. This is amazing. So if this is the Luxe one, holy cow. So this is just, okay, $43 for all this stuff. So what did I get? Can't wait. I got a pair of sunglasses. Check them out. Oh my gosh, how fun. Now, I do wear prescription glasses, so I don't think I could actually wear these, but I will gift these to someone who does. How cool are these? Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. That's the one thing that I really do wish that I had was the ability to wear like any pair of sunglasses, but those are really cute. So, next up we have, what is this? It looks like a little handkerchief. Check it. No, you know what it is? This is actually like a hair tie, I think. Check this out. So, you know, 80s style. I used to always tie my hair up in the 80s, so that's actually really pretty. Look at that. I will actually use this. And then I also got, this is a Luxe box because I got beauty stuff, I can tell. And then I also got this gorgeous love necklace here. So that is, I think, the regular box. So if you just got the regular subscription for the $33, you would get the purse, the sunglasses, you know, that kind of stuff. Because like I said, I've gotten this one before. So with this one, congratulations on signing up to receive and surprise styling each month. Just a little card in here. What is in here? I'm so excited. I have more stuff. Check it out. So I'm just going to open this up. And what have we got in here? Oh my gosh, there's more. What am I doing here? Ooh. Okay, so here's what I got. I got silicone nipple covers. What the heck? What exactly do you do with these? A traditional bra just won't do. Never tried those before, so I got those. And then I also got a strawberry lip scrub. It is sealed, which is always good. Is this sealed? I think it's sealed. I can't get it open. It must be sealed. No, it's not. I know it's not sealed. Strawberry lip scrub. Check it out. I don't know who this is by. not sure who actually makes this, but it's a strawberry lip scrub. And then I got the pomegranate detox face masks. And it looks like you get quite a few of them in here. There's like a whole box of them. Holy cow. Okay. There are 4 masks in here. They're kind of squishy. I wonder if these are probably like the paper. Oh, there's 5. There's 5 masks in here. Check it out. So these are, they're good until 2022. So the date is good on them by Hanky Panky Cosmetics. So we did get that. So, I mean, overall, if I were to like order this, I like the purse a lot. I think it's awesome, and I like the accessories. And then, like I said, if you want the beauty stuff, you can upgrade for an additional $10 a month and get like their beauty set. And I know they send like all different stuff, so I think you never know what you're gonna get. You get all kinds of cool stuff, but this purse is amazing. This is exactly the style purse that I like to wear. Like I'm a big like shoulder bag kind of girl. So that is exciting. So this is my purse, and like I said, I will link the Bolzano subscription down below in case you're interested. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.